Cells are basic units of life. All living things are made of cells. All cells come from pre-existing cells.
Hello. Today we will be explaining the functions of organelles in an animal cell. This is what an animal cell looks like. The first organelle we will be talking about is the cell membrane.
The cell membrane is what holds all the cell's organelles inside. Other names include fluid mosaic model, phospholipid bilayer, plasma membrane, and semi or selectively permeable membrane. It is made of two layers of phospholipids as well as proteins, hence the name phospholipid bilayer. The cell membrane controls what comes in and out of the cell as well as providing structure. Next is the cilia. Surrounding the outside of the phospholipid bilayer is cilia. Essentially, they are microtubules encased in a plasma membrane. These tiny hairs function to help the cell move around. On to the microvilli.
Microvilli are very tiny and line the inside of the cell membrane. To increase surface area are used for diffusion. What gives a cell its shape and support is the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a part of the cytoplasm. Just like how humans have a skeleton to hold us up, without the cytoskeleton, the cell would be weak and floppy. The cytoskeleton consists of uncorrected fibers and filaments. The command center or headquarters of the cell is the nucleus. The nucleus is one of the biggest organelles. Inside the nucleus, you can find DNA in the form of chromosomes. The nucleus is enveloped in the nuclear envelope. This is a double membrane that keeps the nucleus separated from the rest of the cell. The nuclear envelope is porous to allow things in and out of the nucleus.
Chromatin is a loose bundle of DNA found in the nucleus. Once the cell begins the process of cell division, the chromatin becomes a tight group of DNA called chromosomes.
The nucleolus is located inside the nucleus. The function of the nucleolus is to make ribosomes for the rest of the cell.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum, or rough-ER, main function is to transport and manufacture proteins. Ribosomes can be seen on the rough-ER because they are the parts to help with protein synthesis.
The mitochondria are the needed components of almost all the cells. They're the powerhouse for the cells, providing energy to carry out biochemical reactions and other cellular processes. The mitochondria makes energy for the cells from the chemical energy stored in the food we eat. The Golgi apparatus does three main things. It modifies cells, packages products, and distributes or transports them outside of the cell through the use of a vesicle. The vesicle is a protein-filled sac that buds off the rough endoplasmic reticulum and binds the cell membrane and pushes the products out.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is known as the detox organelle. Enzymes inside the organelle break down chemicals, drugs, and pesticides. The smooth ER does not have any ribosomes attached to it. Another function of the smooth ER is the synthesis of and metabolism of lipids in the cell.
Centrioles are found in pairs, and they help in dividing the cell. Centrioles produce the spindle fibers that will be used to pull the chromosomes apart. Centrioles are only found in animal cells.
Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes to help clean and break down foreign substances.
The cytoplasm is a thick liquid substance that suspends the organelles.
The vacuole functions as a membrane-bound storage sac. It stores mostly water, food, and waste.
Freely floating in the cytoplasm, ribosomes can be found. Ribosomes are also attached to the organelle called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is because ribosomes contain protein synthesis.
Peroxisomes are responsible for protecting the cells against hydrogen peroxide.